Welcome to my video SEO marketing private label rights, making money with PLR. This is a Resell rights vault video. In the description below this video, I have a link for you to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profit. Also hit the show more button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online. Okay, let's get started. If you are thinking of getting into marketing products on the internet, PLR, public label rights, is one of the easiest ways to go. However, it is downloadable informational products that are all rage and offer you the most profit for the least amount of investment. There are currently thousands of internet sites selling all kinds of PLR products, including e-courses, e-books, individual articles or series of articles, graphics, website templates or scripts and programming source code, so you have plenty of products to choose from. The easiest, most clear-cut way to make money selling PLR content is to find stuff in the public domain and simply compile it and sell it as an online ebook. However, remember that to make money, your ebook must contain unique or niche content that people are willing to pay for. This means that your PLR material must be unlike any information found for free on the internet. Nobody is willing to pay for information that they can get for free because it has fallen into the public domain. You also need some kind of security when you sell it so others don't copy your PLR idea. Selling PLR content as an ebook is simple. You create the ebook and format it in a way that is easy to download but difficult to copy and paste, such as a locked PDF file. You then write your PLR sales letter and post it on a site with its own unique URL. You can accept payment for the product directly through PayPal or ClickBank, so you don't even have to have your own merchant account. You then market your site URL using Google AdWords so that people know where to find your information. This is one of the easiest ways that you can simply make a living using search engine optimization techniques to sell something that is already free. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Click on the link in the description below to get over 1,000 digital products, all with master resell rights. Also hit the show more button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online.